Most people think that shaving and waxing are the problem. But honestly, a lot of that irritation, the ingrown hairs, the bumps are coming from the hair growing inwards into the skin, especially when it grows incorrectly into the skin. This is one of the things that happens when you have ingrown hairs. Mira qué cosa tan fea. If you're consistently shaving, it's going to actually kill the follicle of that hair. That way the hair doesn't grow back, especially on those areas that are problematic. And if you ever dealt with texture issues, redness, and what people call strawberry skin, and you know how frustrating that can be. One thing that I learned is that IPL uses broad light energy to temporarily suppress the hair growth. But the diode laser, it is a technology that it is way more precise and also more targeted. So the DermRays V8S Enhanced Edition actually helps you target that hair root directly. And over time, it's gonna help treat the hair from the source. So that way you don't have to consistently keep shaving and also repeating the same cycle over and over again, which what we're trying to avoid is the ingrown hair problem. You see how big that thing is right now? I discovered that it was an ingrown hair. That the hair is growing way thinner and it's not as coarse and not as thick. By the way, if you're using Retin-A, not recommended. You need to stop using Retin-A for at least 5 days. Then to start using your hair removal treatment. This is serious. This is something quality that you can get done by a professional, but you can do it yourself at home. Obviously way less expensive, but you got to get the tutorial, you got to read the instructions, and after a little practice you'll be a pro. And it is so easy that anyone can do it. It is just insane to me how technology came from a doctor's office now literally in your own house. I would never thought that you could do that. Why people are always so into hair removal for like decades. And it is because if you're a hairy person, shaving is consistent. I've been suggested just do waxing, because waxing obviously will remove that hair follicle. Well, I tried it, hated it, my skin got irritated, I got bumps. Actually, I think that's when I was starting to have even worse acne on my back. It is not fun and it hurts like a mother, especially in the bikini area. The more you shave, when the hair grows back, it grows back more coarse and it is hard. So that's why sometimes you have to really go to the source. Get rid of the problem. If it's complicated, I am not gonna use it. I'm not gonna do it. All I do is just I press this and that's it. Now, it is so potent that you do not have to keep treating the same spot over and over again like some other IPL devices. Or like some other hair removal devices, you do not have to keep going and going in the same spot in one treatment. You do it once, you move on. It's easy, it's quick, and that's what I want, and that's what I like. So pretty much you double press, and the device is gonna turn on. You will see the light on the side. So you will see when you double press and it's ready to start, turns green. You don't move until it beeps, okay? And also the good thing about this is when it's getting really hot, automatically it's gonna go into a cooling mode. And this is why this product, it feels way more premium that I have never ever tried before. This feels like the real deal. This feels that it's gonna be the solution to my problem. One thing that I noticed, and I was highly surprised, is that this device does not require goggles. Isn't that amazing? And how convenient it is. Especially if you're traveling with your device, one less thing that you need to pack. And another thing is that the cooling system, it makes also a world of a difference. You're not gonna get burned, you're not gonna feel uncomfortable. It is because They were smart, obviously, and they added a cooling system that is gonna make your skin cool off as well. So it's not gonna burn you and it's not gonna feel that it's gonna be way too much. The V8S Edition, it is more to treat coarse hair, thick hair, stubborn hair. Think about, obviously, men. Men, obviously, are the ones that have to deal with a lot of that issue. If you have sensitive skin, always do a patch test somewhere in the area that you're going to treat your skin to make sure if you don't get irritated, or maybe you just cannot tolerate it. Most people can, but everybody is different. There's a lot of people that have extremely sensitive skin and they might not be a candidate. Especially you have to have in consideration your hair color and your skin tone as well. If you're using retin-A, I'm a perfect example of that. Make sure that you stop using retin-A for 5 days before you start your treatment. So I make sure that you know that disclaimer. Like, I am very satisfied with the way my hair is not growing as much any longer. And I feel my skin is way smoother and I do not have to deal with a lot of the ingrowns or excessive redness and bumps. That's the part that always got to me. And who doesn't want to be hair free for summer? Come on, I know you do. I gotta tell you, this is way easier than actually going into a clinic to get it done, okay? Very easy to turn on. One of the things I love about this device, it does not have a lot of buttons and it is not complicated. So when you press once, you pretty much set it up on how you're going to use the device for that treatment, okay? Since I've been starting using this device several weeks ago, I noticed that a lot of those cystic acne that was happening across my back are not as much anymore. And this one, that it was even bigger, is going down now. This is going to be life-changing for you, so you don't have to deal with issues like this. So when you have decided that this is what you're going to do, you're going to double press quickly. And you're going to hear that beep, beep, beep. You are going to see also the light has changed to green, meaning you are ready to go. So easy. So that's it. You're gonna hear the beep. That means it made contact. Okay? You will see the yellow means it's working in the skin. You move it out, it's green. Place it. See? And again, a good thing about this is you can keep moving. You do not have to stay in the same spot. IPL, it takes way longer. Again, I just explained the difference. But also, since I have used APL for a while, you've got to remain in the same spot for 3 to 5 beeps. Then 3 to 5 beeps. Sometimes it's almost like shaving. You gotta go up and down, beep, beep, then go again. It takes way more time. This one, literally, you press it on your skin, it's going to beep, you're done, you move a little bit more. And then a little bit more, and you treat the area that you want to treat. When you listen to the beep, you know that you're gonna move. And you're gonna move. Like I was saying, I am excited that it's just not growing as much any longer. And it's so easy. It doesn't burn, doesn't hurt. You feel a very warm sensation. But it is nothing that, oh my gosh, I'm in pain. Not at all. I highly suggest really looking into knowing the difference between what it is an IPL and what it is a diode laser technology. Before you even go ahead and make an investment, know the difference. Things like this are so needed because this is serious and this is something that is gonna really target that hair follicle so it doesn't bother you for a long time. If you want to get rid of your entire hair in your body, it takes only 15 minutes. Now the brand has a promise where you will see results within 6 to 10 weeks. That's pretty fast turnaround, you guys. That's a very small window. If you have long hair in your body, you want to make sure you trim it. Every device will come with this as a reminder that you've got to what? Shave, because when you shave, the treatment will work way better and go right into the follicle and get it eliminated. Done. 30 million flashes for long-term use without replacement parts. 30 million flashes? That's insane.
And by the way, my icons, can you tell me in the description below, or the comments below, what is the most annoying part of your grooming routine? Taking care of yourself is nothing extra. It is not something that you should even think about. It is something how you protect your confidence, your skin health, and your overall well-being, which is so important because you matter.